yung chismis trying to destroy me, my name, our family, our loved ones. May mga anak din ako, Engineer Bryce. At higit sa lahat, yung simbahan na aking nire-represent, na milyong-milyong tao ang nire-respeto yung aking pananampalataya. Babanggitin ko lang that a good name is always to be chosen than great riches. At masakit man isipin na dinrag ang malinis na pangalan ng representasyon na ito, lalo na being a member of the Jesus is Lord Church. Gusto ko pong sabihin, there's always time for everything, at salamat sa aking mga kasamahan at this committee for clearing this out. At gaya ng sabi niyo, Mr. Chairman, wag na nating pagtsagaan ang mga sinungaling. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Dapat siguro palitan niya yung pangalan niya, Blyce na lang, Blyce.